Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. In this video, I will show you 2 more common ways to use the word for in English. Ready? Let's go. Part 3. We use for to show who benefits from an action. For example, this gift is for you. I saved a seat for my son. This message is for students. A common mistake that many learners make is using to instead of for, but that can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, I did this to you. I did this for you. To sounds like direction. For sounds like help. Part 4. We also use for when something is exchanged, bought, or traded. For example, I bought sunglasses for $10. They sold their car for cash. I will trade my old phone for a new one. If money or exchange is involved, for is usually the correct word. Let's check your understanding. Which sentence is correct? I bought coffee for $5. Or I bought coffee to $5. The correct answer is I bought coffee for $5. In the next video, I will show you the last meaning of for, and then we will do a full review so that everything comes together. Thank you for learning with me today, friends. Good job. See you tomorrow.